Tall Man Clan, welcome back. Today we are in Mesa, Arizona, just outside Phoenix. We are at Blue Compass RV, formerly Tom's Camperland. They're having a grand opening during the conversion and being part of the Blue Compass family. We're going to look at a Paradigm by Alliance. This is the 395DS. Let's take a look. All right, so as we look up here, first of all, the Paradigms have a drop frame, which means you're going to get extra tall storage, which is awesome. It's also built on a 101-inch wide body chassis, so you get extra width as well. So there's tons of storage in there, Lisa.
Love it.
All right, just in front of that, you've got your 30-pound propane tank. You're on a 6-point level up auto level system that is hydraulic. As you look up, there are two awnings, one that starts right at the very front of the RV and goes to the other side of the door, and then one that is on your awning, on your slide, so you have some good coverage here. A nice Lippert solid step, got this cool extra handle, extra long handle, right? So getting up and down is nice and easy. Let's not forget Asdel siding used here. You have upgraded suspension. I believe it's the CRE 3000. Yes, the CRE 3000. All right, as we move around to the back, you've got a ladder that's permanently mounted here. You are pre-wired for a camera, and you do have a utility hitch. All right, over here on the off side in the back, there is a connection for sewer there. Storage for your sewer hoses, your stinky slinkies right there. We move forward a little bit more. There's a storage compartment right here, so you can store some extra things there. I was gonna say, is that tall enough? Oh, you know what that is?
What is that?
We'll show you from the inside.
I
know what that is. All right, here's another sewer connection right there. Your power connection is right here. I'd love to see that in the back. You know, if you're going to go to an RV site somewhere, most of the power poles are in the back. I don't know. I guess it's okay there. Here's your water bay. Oh, slides. Oh, you can move your slides in and out from right here.
Well, isn't that nice?
That is really cool. You don't even have to go inside to do that.
Wow.
But here's all your pulls for your tanks, your city water connection. You can connect a shower head here and wash stuff out here. The only thing that I'd like to see is, even if you've got a drip, there's a pan here, so it will go out. It would be nice if there was a wall here. I'm just saying. All right, let's close that up here. Here's another 30-pound propane tank. Here is your controller for your auto level system, and to me that is my most favorite place to see it.
Agreed.
Right there, because you are right here controlling it and right with your vehicle.
Agreed.
Okay, let's take a look at the numbers, Lisa. This is a gross vehicle weight of 16,800 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 2,560 pounds. Yeah. All right, let's go up to the front. Here's sort of your utility area, right? This is where your batteries would go. If you want a generator, your generator would go on the other side. You've got some more components up here, which some are behind. Here, we'll open this up so we can show you. It's just, there's your hydraulic pump and wiring. It's nice that it's hidden behind this door. So if you're putting bins and things in there, it's not smacking into it, right?
Oh, I totally agree. I love that.
And then you do have an upgraded pin box here. You got the Kurt Rotoflex pin box.
Nice.
So let's go inside. Wow.
Look at this.
This is pretty.
This is nice.
This might be one of the nicer DS's that we've seen, Lisa.
Yeah, I might have a new favorite.
All right. So as you come in, obviously here's sort of your living and dining area. You have an L-shaped sort of theater and I guess it's a love seat, right? We'll start here then. All right. So it's pretty comfortable. It's a little bit stiff, but it's not bad. It's actually not bad at all. Gives you a little bit of support. Over here, your theater chair. Oh, no, that's comfortable. Now, these are electronic, so we're not plugged in. I can't open them, but they're your recliners. Directly across from us is your entertainment area. Look at that.
Love it.
Nice big TV. Got a built-in Jensen audio system. Nice, gigantic fireplace. There's some nice cabinetry up above. All right, there's also cabinets up above here too, and I didn't mention that. So you have some cabinets above your sofa. This does have day-night shades, right? So that's your day shade. You can see out, but people can't see in. And if you want complete privacy at night, then you pull down the night shade. Okay. Across from here is your dinette. It seats 4, 2 chairs there full time. I don't know why you can't have the other 2, but the other 2 chairs are hidden somewhere, I guess. Anyway, behind all of this, right when we walked in the door, if you noticed, we walked basically right into the kitchen.
We did, and I love this. Look at this.
Yeah, look at this U-shaped kitchen.
Yeah, isn't this great?
Yeah.
We have solid surface countertops. We do have, we'll start with a large basin, large single basin sink.
Yes. Do you have the Mad Cow too?
I have Mad Cow too.
We have to stop eating that cow.
A tall faucet, some decent countertop space.
Oh yes, this is what we saw from the outside. This is where your trash goes.
Yes.
So your trash is always on the outside. You're not having to cart it through the house.
Exactly.
I love that.
So if you have, those drippy bags, you know, the ones I'm talking about, they're already outside, not in the house. Love it. So we have some oh wow, that's a huge cabinet.
It really is big.
Yeah.
You'd have to climb on the countertop to get to the top.
I think so. And then we have a residential microwave here,
nice.
Residential oven.
Yep, and
stove and oven,
yep.
yes. Countertops everywhere. Look at all this cabinetry. I love it.
Love it.
Yes. And I do believe.
Real tile backsplash.
Yeah. I do believe so.
Nice.
Now, as far as the power goes, there is an
There's
outlet there and over
and
here.
Over there, and USB charging ports there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, below that, we have more cabinetry. Look at all of this. That's your panel. We do have some more drawers here.
Okay.
And I don't believe I looked
underneath
the sink, but there is more.
That's huge storage too.
Yeah, more storage there.
Then we've got this nice refrigerator, right? A Norcold. It's side by side on the top, and then it's a big drawer pull-out on the bottom. Your freezer, look at that.
Wow.
Right?
Love it.
Oh man, I could put a couple things of ice cream in there.
You sure could.
And then the pantry. Oh, and it's adjustable shelves too.
Nice.
Love it. Let's give it the knock test. Wow, those are solid too.
Very nice.
You don't have to worry about that collapsing. And there's power down there, so I guess if you have something that needs to be charged, there's power down in there.
I love it.
Love it.
Yes.
So then, as we were looking to the back over by the entertainment system, you see there's a loft up there. Here, Lisa, hold that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go climbing.
All right.
All right. All right, built-in ladder. All right, so I'm actually not gonna get all the way up there, but I'll get up far enough so I can show you guys. So this is a nice size loft. I bet that's a queen size bed. Look at that.
Nice.
Really decent sized loft up there. There's actually a way to connect TV, so you can have a TV up there.
Very nice.
It does have a little thin mattress. You really couldn't get any thicker up there or you wouldn't be able to get in and out. And then there's this door. What's this go to? Well, look at this.
Oh my.
This is the DS, if you didn't know, stands for dual suite. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath RV. Look at this sucker. Now, if I haven't mentioned yet, I am 6'4", so use my height as reference. And as you see, I'm almost touching. That's because there's a loft up there. So you tell me, would you like the loft up there? Or would you rather have this full height and nothing up there? Like for instance, I don't think anybody would be sleeping up there. I mean, maybe kids, I don't know, because it's sort of skinny, so it's not gonna be an adult up there. We could use it for storage, but I don't know. I might rather have the height back here. What would you rather have? Storage up above the loft or full height? Let us know in the comments down below. All right, as far as the bed goes, let's get a measurement on this, Lisa.
All right.
60 by...
Is that a residential queen?
Wow. I don't.
Is it? Is it?
60 by 80.
It is a residential
That is a
queen.
residential queen. So you can put any kind of mattress on here. And just so you know, I'll climb up there so you can see. I mean, right, residential queen. All right, you can see there's a couple nightstands here. I'm sure there's power and USB charging ports. Yep. Directly across is sort of where you put all your clothes. Right, you've got some hanging space right there, I think. Yep, there you go. 3 drawers. And then 6 drawers here in the middle. That's okay, baby. All right. And then 3 more drawers in the matching cabinet on this side. You also have a lift up for some storage underneath.
Oh, look at that. I missed that.
Yep, could call it hidden storage, but
Yeah.
there's a seam there, so I guess you can see it. And then a TV. And then I said 2 bedroom, 2 bath. So you know what time it is.
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
All right, remember I said I'm 6'4", so I'm not gonna lie, my feet are not in a normal position. They're pulled back a little bit. As you can see, my knees, it's about where I should be right there. My knees are basically touching the wall. So I would not want this to be my primary bathroom. This is a little skinny. And by the way, this is not it's porcelain, but it's not a foot flush. It's electronic flush.
What?
Yep, you just press one of those buttons and it goes. Aren't we fancy? All right, to my left or directly when you're walking in here is obviously your sink and your vanity. As you can see, it's epoxy pour tops, undercounter mount that is stainless. There is some storage underneath, door, a couple drawers.
Love it.
Yep, and then of course your medicine cabinet. Now because there's a window up top here, this doesn't go all the way up. So if I'm standing in the bathroom with the door shut, I can see from here down. Now, of course, if I back up where Lisa's standing, I probably can see my entire self, okay?
I do find it interesting that the bathroom has the full ceiling.
Yeah, bathroom's full height, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, so let's climb in that shower. And I'm glad it has full height because the shower is up kind of high.
Oh, it is.
If you look down there, that's a decent step up into this shower, guys.
It certainly is.
So, in fact, they should have probably made, well, see, that's actually not too bad. But if you hang that up, see how much higher I am above, I'm 1.5 feet above the glass. So when I'm washing my hair and rinsing, water's gonna go over there. So it's kind of strange. Maybe you'd like to see a taller door in here, but it would be hard because of the glass.
True.
Because of the window. So, you know, if you want something, then something else has to give. So, but overall, the space in here is great. I don't have an issue with this shower at all, other than there's going to be some water that comes over the top. So I'm just going to put a towel on the floor, right? It's not going to bother me at all, right? You got a shelf in the front, shelf in the back. Overall, this is a great shower for the tall people in the world, or the large people in the world, okay? So let's get up to the front and see the other suite. Again, DS, dual suite. So we had a bedroom and a bathroom in the back. We got a bedroom and a bathroom up in the front. All right, so this one is a porcelain foot flush. It's funny they got the not digital, but the powered toilet in the back, but the regular old foot flush here in the front.
Isn't that interesting?
Yeah. Anyway, it's okay. It doesn't bother me. As you can see from this toilet, guys, at my height, my size, it's great. Not a problem. This would be my primary. That would be yours in the back, Lisa, I would think.
Yep, I would agree.
Just because it's a little bit tight. All right, same sort of sink and countertop. It's a little bit different configuration. Same faucet. Nice storage underneath. There's nothing behind me because the toilet's here. You have a little bit of storage here and your medicine cabinet there. The one thing, and you can see from here down, right? We're up in the front now, so we are having some height restrictions, okay? The one thing that is missing in this particular bathroom, Lisa, storage for towels.
Oh, true.
No place to put your
Well,
towels.
you know, they've got to go right here.
Yeah, well, you know what? I guess so. Yeah, that's where they're going.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could put, I don't know, you could probably put 8 towels in there. I don't know about anybody else.
Yeah, I could get 8 towels in there.
She folds towels like, you know, an origami swan.
I do not.
You do too.
When have you ever seen a swan in our bathroom?
Every time I take out a towel. Swan. All right, as you can see, I am up in the bubble. If I wasn't, I'd be very close to touching, but the good news is this skylight, call it a bubble, runs the entire width of the shower, which is awesome. There's plenty of space in here. This could be a 2-person shower, which is great. There's a bench in the back, which you can see, right? But folded up, it gives plenty of room.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right?
Very
so
nice.
there's also a shelf up in the front, a little soap dispenser there. The shower head can raise a little bit. And unlike the other one, this glass door is a little bit taller, so it's going to be a little bit easier to contain the water while you're in here washing your hair and stuff. All right, so let's get into the master. There's 2 ways, one from the bathroom and then one from the hallway, I guess. All right, this is definitely an RV king, Lisa.
I agree.
Yeah, look at that. So I'm assuming that this is probably 70 by 80, but let's get a measurement on it, shall we?
All right.
Let's do it. So we are, 70 by 78. It's hard to, could be 80. somewhere between.
It's an RV King.
Yeah, it's an RV King regardless. I can't see exactly if the mattress is touching the wall. If it is touching the wall, then it's 70 by 80. Okay, either way, like Lisa was saying, it's an RV King. As you can see, you have your nightstands just like you did in the back. Power and USB charging, just like the back. Love the headboard, love the valances, all really cool looking. Heck, it says Acerta King size right there. But again, RV King. Right, directly across, just like downstairs, if you will, you've got your hidden storage. You've got 6 drawers here. Oh, this one's gonna need, no, it's just stuck. There's magnets right here that help hold it in when you're driving down the road.
Oh, nice.
Okay, there's a little bench over here. I'll show that to everybody. So there's a little bench right there. You can put stuff in it or sit there. You can put your shoes down there, which is great. And let's not forget the TV that's right there. Now up in the front, if you want to do a washer and dryer, you would have opposing. Washer on one side, dryer on the other, which would leave this whole center section for clothing and just, you know, your storage of things, okay? If you weren't gonna put a washer and dryer in here, then, well, you've got a lot more storage.
You do.
Speaking of which, we didn't do this downstairs, but I'm sure there's storage underneath the bed. Oh, yeah, and there's the other 2 chairs for the dinette. So yeah, the Paradigm 395DS. Yeah, maybe a new favorite, Lisa.
I think it's definitely my new favorite loft.
Yeah.
Dual suite loft.
Yeah, not sure about the loft. I don't know. I think we'd use it for storage. Yeah. Storage.
Yeah, we may have Blake come over and.
Yeah, but anyway.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, let us know what you think about it in the comments below. You know, if this is your first time finding our videos, you know what to do, right? Thumbs up, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. Would sincerely appreciate it. It helps out the channel and it costs you nothing. It is free. Free. Okay? As far as the Tall Man Clan goes, God bless you guys. We really do appreciate you and we love you all. Until we see you again on the road, be safe.